In an auditorium, seats were arranged in rows and columns. The number of rows was equal to the number of seats in each row. When the number of rows was doubled and the number of seats in each row was reduced by 10, the total number of seats increased by 300. Find the number of rows in the original arrangement and the number of seats in the auditorium after rearrangement. So let's say the number of rows in the original arrangement be x. Now if the number of rows are x, then the number of seats is also x because the number of rows is equal to the number of seats in each row. So the total number of seats is x multiplied by x, that is x square. Now in the second case, the number of rows was doubled. If originally it is x, then when it is doubled, it becomes twice of x. In that case, the number of seats in each row was reduced by 10. So number of seats in each row is x and it is reduced by 10 when the number of rows is doubled. So this becomes x minus 10. Now the total number of seats equals 2x multiplied by x minus 10. Now when the number of rows was doubled and the number of seats in each row was reduced by 10, the total number of seats increased by 300. So it means the total number of seats when the number of rows was doubled minus the total number of seats originally equals 300. So thus we get an equation. This is framing of the equation. Now let's open this bracket. A quadratic equation is obtained. X square minus 20x equals 300. The factors are minus 30 plus 10. The value of x obtained is 30 or negative 10. Now the number of rows originally is x. So x cannot be negative. Therefore, the value of x is 30. So writing the answer for the first question, number of rows in the original arrangement, it is 30. Now the second question, the number of seats in the auditorium after rearrangement. This equals 30 multiplied by 30 plus 300. That is equal to 1200. The number of seats in the auditorium after rearrangement can also be obtained by substituting the value of x in the equation 2x multiplied by x minus 10. So 2 multiplied by 30 minus 10. So this gives 60 multiplied by 20, which equals 1200. And also it can be obtained by substituting in x square plus 300, which is the number of seats after rearrangement.